Okay, hi, this is Coach Karina. So I will be your speaker for tonight. This is our 7 p.m. Nigeria time Zoom meeting, daily meeting. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our office. Okay, so the address is 26th floor 30A in Ortigas Center, Pasig, Philippines. Okay, as you can see, Mr. Chris, our founding executive chairman of the board, is here. Ma'am Jean Garcia is here, our Chief Operational Officer, and we have there at the back our CEO, Mr. Danny Aguilera, and the loving wife, our head admin, Ma'am Jean Gutierrez. Okay, so this is our head office, and now they're making a little of interior designing for our office, but it is already open to serve everybody that wants to visit the office. Okay, so what is Eos Sayo? Eos means light. Eos from the Greek word meaning dawn. Dawn is the first strike of light when the sun rises. Okay, and Eos is in the Greek mythology is the carrier of light. So this is a new hope, new life, new beginning for all of us. All leaders that has been to a project that has never been successful, and you become tired, sick and tired of doing business once again. This is for you guys. And Sayo means learning. So here we are learning and earning in EOS. This is a digital educational ecosystem focused on blockchain. Okay, so we have educational platform, technology ecosystem, community-driven network, educational participation, incentive layers, and ecosystem vision. So next slide is our EOS Hub. Our mission and vision is very clear. The vision to become a global digital financial infrastructure, while our mission is EOS builds an integrated Web3 ecosystem, beginning financial education, AI-powered productivity tools, and digital payment, all in one place. EOS institutional framework. Our core organizational structure, we have community builders. This is our part, okay? We have system developers, we have legal and compliance team, and in-house trading division. Okay, so next, we have our EOS revenue backup digital asset ecosystem. Our EOS got educational layer, income layer, payment layer, and exchange layer. Okay, so next, the problem, fragmented access to digital finance, limited access to structural financial education, fragmented online earning ecosystem, lack of sustainability and incentive models. Many digital assets lack real-world utility. So this is the problem. So that's why we have EOS, and this is the answer. EOS. To all of this problem, EOS Sayo is the answer. This is the solution. We have financial education, AI-powered tools, digital payments, gaming infrastructure. Sure, guys. So we are very much complete, very nice company. We have EOS platform accessibility and development. You can now download to your mobile application using iOS for your Apple Store, available on Android, Google Play Store, available on Huawei at the same time on your app gallery. So please download it now so you can see what it looks like. Next, we have ASIO. What are we building? We are building a 400-day structured learning curriculum, blockchain fundamental, DeFi mechanism, and we have market structure education, rich awareness training, digital asset literacy, all in one place. Okay, guys, enjoy the ecosystem. 8 strategic revenue stream. Okay, so we have number 1, AI tool subscription. We have number 2, AI tool monthly residual unilevel rebates. Number 3, performance-based participation incentive. Number 4, monthly educational participation rebates. And we have leadership development participation rebates, number 5. And this is for our future. We will just waiting this to be live, our gaming. So we can earn as well on our gaming. Number 7, wallet transaction fees, participation rebates. And number 8, product-based uni-level learning. So this is our 8 ecosystem, the 8 income streams of AOSIO. Number 1, the AI tool subscription. So how does it work? So we have a 120 days free use of our AI tool, guys. So 1650 after the 120 days, that's the time you will pay the 16.50. And after the 120 days, you will count again 30 days, and that's the time you will pay $10 every month. So it's just very easy, and you will have a redundant network participation rebates. You will also have the system dashboard application, AI automation, you have AI tools education, and modules education, everything that you can access for just 1650, guys. So here, in our redundant uni-level rebates, all you need to do is to have your direct referrals. Once you have a first direct referral, you can access or unlock the earnings on your first level up to 5th level. If you have 2 directs, you will unlock until 8th level. So 3 directs on the 11th levels, 4 directs, 13th level, 5 directs, 15, 6 directs, 17, 7 directs, 19, and 8 directs, 20th level, guys. So this is massive income. Okay, so what else do you need to know here? Okay, we have the AS2 direct duplication. So guys, we will teach you very easy step. All you need to do is to follow the power of 2 of duplication. So how does it work? So all you need to do is to invite 2 friends or 2 prospects, 2 followers on your social media, and let them join the Zoom meeting, and we will be the one to convince them or to explain to them. All you need to do is to invite them. Once you invite them and they join, so you will have a direct referral because that is your direct, so you will have 5%. And once these 2 direct referrals join, all you need to do is to tell them to invite again. So you will become 4. This 4 will join again, become 8. The 8 will join again, become 16. And without you knowing it, you're already on the 20th level on your 5th month. So all your team members will be 1 million already. So even if you're doing it weekly, every week 2, next week 4, on the 3rd week 8. So once you go to the 5th month, you will have 1 million members. And every time that you will have one members under your 20th level, you will have 0.45. Everything from second level up to 20th level, you have 0.45, 0.45, 0.45. And then the more that the numbers of members getting higher, the more income that you will have. So you can have as much as 943,717. Guys, this is huge. Guys, 10% of 943,000 is $94,000 as well. What if in your 20th level you have 1,000 members? Guys, it's big also. So the most important thing is that you build your community, so you will have a lot of rebates stream here in AO. So number 2, AI tools monthly residual rebates. So how does it work? Okay, so again, you should have at least 2 direct referrals. The 2 become 4 again. The 4 become 8 until you reach the 20th level, guys. So there you have your $1 reserve fund to your 20th level. You will have $1, $1, $1, $1, $1. So you will earn as much as $400,000 to $500,000 here in this level. Okay, next, the performance-based participation incentive. So guys, be ready. Do you want to have the best gadget for your business so that you can present to your leaders? We have here the gadget incentive. Okay, so all you need to do, I said, you will build until to the 20th level. Once you have 1,000 members under your 20th level, you will have a Huawei MatePad Pro. Okay, this is amounting to $1,000. It cannot be converted to cash. You should buy this. Okay, once you hit this, the company will send you 1,000 USDT and you should buy your Huawei MatePad Pro or a gadget. Okay, so guys, are you ready for your future? Drive your dream car. Once you have 60,000 members under your 20th level, guys, you will have a fully paid dream car if you want Toyota Fortuner or any of your choice for as long as you will buy your car. Okay, so this will happen. I think if you are actively participating, this is doable or achievable in your next 2 years here in AOS. Okay, so just be active and keep joining leaders all over the globe. So this will happen to you. Another big incentive, the Dream House Big Legacy, Building Legacy. We have 750,000 members on your 20th level. The company will give you $650,000 to buy your own villa. So this is the project that has a legacy. Okay, so stay in this project, stay with AOS, build with us for the next 400 days, then make it another 2 years for your car incentive, another 4 to 5 years for our house and lot. So I'm sure everyone will gonna hit this once you stay with us and focus on our ASIO community building. Number 4, monthly educational participation rebates. So we have here 10%, guys. 10% every time that you will have your knowledge contract. If you enroll for a knowledge contract, automatically you have 10% every month. And once you invite your knowledge contract enrollees, okay, you will have 5% direct rebates. Okay, example, you enrolled for one Genesis contract, which is 1,500. 5% of this is $75. So if you have 10, you have $750 and you can withdraw it every week. And next, we have leadership development participation rebate. So how it is working, leadership development framework. So we have here levels, level 1 from level 1 up to level 7. All you need to have is a one direct line. Other companies, they need 2 lines, 3 lines. Most of the other companies need 5 lines for you to enjoy the percentage earning. Okay, so level 1, you only need $200 group sales volume, not direct sales, group sales volume. And you will have 5% on the rebates on the daily knowledge rebates of your leaders. I will show it to you later on my system dashboard. Okay, level 2, from 200, you only need 300 to make it 500. So you will become level 2 and you will have 10%. Okay, level 3, 2,000, 15%. Level 4, 5,000, up to level 7, $250,000. And then you will have 45% on your daily knowledge dividends or daily knowledge rebates of your leaders. Is that clear? Okay, so here, gaming participation. So this will be later on because it's not yet live. But since we have our VASP, our Virtual Asset Service Provider primary license already, that's why we can have this strategic competitive games, skill-based games, AS gaming, multiplier tournaments. We have licensed online gamings, okay? So this will come later on. And of course, this is huge income as well for the liquidity of AOS token. 30% of the total gaming platform profit will be injected to the AOS liquidity fund. Okay, so that's why AOS token will just keep on going up the price because of our infrastructure. Number 2, we have ecosystem, our community. At the same time, guys, we will be listed very soon in PancakeSwap and Uniswap, guys. So lottery draw mechanics, we have 8 hours, 7 days a week, 6-digit combination game. So the winning prize is $500,000. The ticket price is $1 only. It will not come from your wallet. It will come from your withdrawal. Every time you have withdrawal, there is a 10% withdrawal fee, and it will not go to the company. It will still go to you. Right to your dashboard, you will see it in your gaming voucher. So use that to play the games. Once you hit the jackpot, the winning prize, you can withdraw $500,000. Okay, so guys, to do two-digit raffle draw mechanism, we have 10 minutes, 7 days a week. Choose the two-digit combination. If your combination win, you will win $1,000. The ticket price is 0.50. Guys, there's a lot of income stream here that you will really enjoy. And AOS Liquidity Engine powered by real revenue build the future. Okay, so guys, there's a lot of income for you and of course for the liquidity flow for the company as well. Next, the wallet transaction participation rebates. Okay, so every time that we are using our AOS wallet, of course, it has a smart contract with it. Okay, so every time that you're using it, there is a transaction fee, and part of that will go also to the community, and 50% goes to AOS Treasury. So it's 50-50. You have $5 on the Treasury and $5 for the community incentive pool. Okay, so guys, there's a lot of income. So all you need to do, guys, is to join AOS Pay. So let's ready, guys. End of May, or earlier on the 3rd week of May, we already have our AOS Pay, our AOS wallet. Okay, so it's ready. Everything is ready. All we need to do is to wait for our BASP to inject in this wallet. Okay, so next, commerce ecosystem, real world merchant adoption. So get ready. Of course, this is the future infrastructure. Retail store, restaurants, online merchants, service providers, they will all accept AOS token. By the way, all of our income in AOS will be in a form of AOS token. Okay, product-based uni-level earnings. So how you become a member. So this is for the first timers. So you are thinking how to get AOS token, how to become a profitable trader. So this is the answer now. All you need to do is to enroll for a knowledge contract starting from a minimum of Edge package that is $30. The 150 you will see in all the prices, there is 150 all the time. That is a gas fee or transaction fee. So 31.50, you will have 300 AOS token for your Edge package, and of course 10% monthly rebates every month, okay, for the next 400 days, and it is 13 months. Okay. So what can you have for Edge package? A little of $3 every month. So compound it. After 2 months, compound $6, and you will have more AOS token. Next, we have the flow at 76.50. The rate of our AOS token, by the way, is 0.10, guys, 0.10. So all you need to do is to divide $75 divided by 0.10. Total is 750 AOS token that you will have. Get 10% monthly again. So next, what else? The matrix package is 151.50, and you will have 1,500 AOS token. Prime, we have 301.50, that's 0.10, and we have total of 3,000 AOS token. Guys, this is huge. Imagine if our AOS token will fly to the moon at $1, for the price of 300, then your digital asset will become $3,000 after 400 days. We have Apex package at 71.50. You will have 7,500 AOS token. Again, 10% monthly, and you will have the access to the digital library. Okay, so next, Genesis, full access to the digital library, 1,500.50. And this is 15,000 AOS token. Next, of knowledge package that you want higher package, we have professional track 1, 2,000. You will have 20,000 AS token. And then professional track 5,000 bonus, 50,000 AS token. Professional track 3, you have 10,000 and 100,000 AS token, guys. So this is huge money, digital asset after 400 days for sure. Okay, so this is the AS2 direct duplication computation. Okay, so guys, again, what I told you before, the power of 2, the 2 become 4, the 4 become 8 until you reach the 20th level, guys. So if you reach the 20th level, you will have 1 million, just the power of 2 duplication. And the total earning on the 20th level can be $262,000. So let's just make it like 10%, so that is $26,000. This is also a big money. So what you need to do is please, again, build your network. Keep on building. Do not stop and build until we reach the 20th level. Token name is AOS coin. We have symbol AOS, network, BNB Smart Change, standard BEP20. Total AOS supply is 1 million. Okay, so we have the power of vesting structure, meaning our AOS token is locked for 400 days. So the AOS token keeps on rising, keeping up the price and shooting up to the moon, but it will not dump down. Why? Because we have the vesting structure. You can just withdraw 5% of your token and in every 3 months. Okay, so guys, that's why it is protected. We are all protected. Okay, so this is the allocation of our 1 million AS token. Reserved to the treasury, 25%. Community incentive, 20%. So all of our incentives, especially in our subscription, will be in a form of AS token, and you can exchange that already, guys. It will not do the best thing, and it will not be until 400 days. You can enjoy your income here. For the subscription, you can withdraw daily. If you see you have a subscription income of $5, you withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $5. Okay, so again, so we are extending this April 20. We will be listed in PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So it will be one at the same time, our wallet, our powerful super wallet, AOS wallet, and our PancakeSwap exchange listing will be all at the same time. Okay, so can AOS become the top 10 exchange? Of course, yes. Why? We have the real users, real revenue, trust, and compliance. Guys, everything we have, guys. So don't worry. AOS will take care of us. The evolution of blockchain. So everybody knows that Bitcoin is made for digital money. Ethereum is for smart contract. Binance Exchange ecosystem. Solana is for high-speed blockchain, and XRP, high-speed blockchain. And wait, what is AOS? AOS got blockchain. AOS got DeFi, education, AOS got global community, and AOS got commerce digitalization. So we have more core uses of our AOS. So what will be the effect? Of course, AOS to the moon. Okay, so guys, we're just showing to you in this slide how Bitcoin shoot up the price, but it went, of course, to 2010, it is 0.004, the ground price. But the all-time high of a Bitcoin is 100,000 during 2024. Okay, so it keeps on. Now it is in the price of 68, and it's going to 78,000. Okay, Ethereum 2015 is 0.31. Okay, so now it become last 2021 it become 4,800, the all-time high. And now look at AOS 2026, start with 0.05. What is the future after 400 days? Can you guess? Okay, so guys, if we want to guess, what if it will become $1? If you have an edge package, you have $300. And it will become $10, guys, you will have $3,000. Okay, so for the flow, you have 750 AUS token, right? So $750 and 7,500 when it becomes $10. So we're just showing to you what if, okay? What if higher than that? Okay, so now guys, to end it all, there are three types of people in the every revolution, everywhere. Number one, the pioneers. They are they take action early in the revolution. They grab the opportunity once they heard it and they try. Okay, they try at once and do it. The followers, they join after seeing the opportunity. It's like they need to wait for the coach to command them or to mentor them. There are number three, spectators. They question, hesitate, and do nothing. Guys, what type of person will you be? Okay, so guys, this is Coach Karina saying thank you so much for listening. And of course, after this, I will show you my system dashboard. Okay, so here is my system dashboard. I will need to log into aosioclub.io, guys. So here is my system dashboard. So how to navigate to your system dashboard? All you need to do is to go to this area, which is your, okay, so the drop-down arrow on the upper part of the dashboard, upper part, you will edit profile. So here you will see your referral link. Make sure you will copy from this box, okay? Copy from this box and paste it to your notes in your mobile phone. So put there everything about AOS. Please keep your password. Do not lose your password. Next. Okay, next, what we have here, the referral code, and make sure you have an active email, guys, and please use your full name. Okay, and then paste your rebate wallet, the Binance Smart Chain wallet, BSC, wallet address, USDT BEP20, and always update your profile. Okay, next, then make sure when you are withdrawing, always check your wallet address if it is correct. Okay, so next, on the system dashboard, go here. So here you will see the members around the globe. We have 132,899, and you will see a lot of flags all over the globe that are joining every other minute, seconds. Okay, so next, what else you need to do in your system dashboard? Go to my knowledge contract. Okay, so here you will see your knowledge contract. Mine is Genesis contract, and that is 1,500. And you will see here how many days you are in AOS, 71 days. Okay, so in 71 days, here, how to compute your daily rate, okay, daily rate of 0.50. So here it goes. So 66% of your 1,500 goes to your knowledge vault here. Okay, so the 33% goes to learning vault, the 500. So we will just compute the 0.5 in your knowledge vault. So you will have $5 every day times 30. You will have $150 every month, okay, for the next 400 days or 13 months. Guys, that's 1,900 plus already. So a big income, and at the same time, I was able to get the AOS at 0.025. That's why I have 60,000 AOS token, plus I have 2,600 because I kept on compounding my income. Okay, so I kept on compounding my income, guys. So let's try. So here, for the transaction, you will see the knowledge credit, $5, $5 every day. So you will see it from the transaction. And then for the compounding, I will teach you how to compound. So let's check. We have 62,626 here for my AOS token. And then I have knowledge vault of 1,096 and learning vault of 558. So let's see what will happen if we will compound this $26. Okay, so $26 times 66%, 17% will go to my knowledge vault. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, I want to compound 26 we will see how many AOS token will I acquire. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, so let's close, and then what will happen? Look at that. Okay, so I got 62,898, and I have another $17 added to my knowledge vault, and the sum of it goes to my learning vault. So guys, that is the power of compounding. Okay, did you know that the Satoshi Nakamoto did not even withdraw the 1.1 million of Bitcoin? He did not withdraw. So that 1.1 million Bitcoin become 125 billion. The power of compounding, guys. So let's keep on compounding. If we do not have big money, so let's make the power of compounding, get lots of AOS token. So now I will go to teach you how to go to the credit wallet. So here is the credit voucher. So this is what we're going to use in our gaming. And next, what do we need to do is to go to the rebates. Okay, so this is my claimable rebates for 1 month. Okay, so next, let's get this one. Yes, I am sure I want to transfer them to my credit wallet, 101. Okay, success. So what will gonna happen to that? Let's check on my credit wallet. Okay, so there, view pending request. Okay, so we have a pending request. So claim and withdraw, and you will get it on Saturday. So now you will get it on Saturday. Okay, so in partners, you will see the bubble chart and genealogy. So in your bubble chart, these are all paid and enrolled for knowledge contract. Okay, in the tier levels, you will see them level by level. So here I have 5. Okay, so you will see every first direct referral. So I can see here Zaida from UAE. She's on tier 3. We have here Ibrahim from Ghana in team per level, and signups. These are the one who sign up for a free subscription, but they did not get any knowledge contract yet. So you can also click that and message them. It will go to your email, so you can follow them up. Okay, so for the subscription, it says here, okay, subscribe now. So after 120 days, I will just pay my 1650. So after 120 days more. Maybe that is August, right? Okay, so that is how you navigate your system dashboard. Okay, so I think that's it. And well, by the way, the gaming. So we have 64 games ready, but we are just waiting it to be live. Surcharge your workflow, smart assistant. It's a generators and automation all in one place. Hi guys, I will teach you how to activate your AOS account and how you will pay it on your wallet, on your crypto wallet. Okay, so go to the menu here, the 3 lines, my knowledge contract. Okay, close the account inactive. We have here my knowledge contract. Okay, subscribe new contract. Okay, so he wants to join on Edge package. So subscribe. Okay, so we need to pay 31.50. So we just need to copy this address. Okay, we have to copy this address. Copy. And then Binance wallet. Okay, so pay, send. Okay, using your USDT BEP20, you just have to paste it. Okay, so make sure that you have the right address, and then the network must be BSC BEP20, and then a little like, okay, so it can be 31.52. Okay, so this is enough, 31.51, so it will not be short. Okay, so send. I want to change it into 3. Sometimes there is a gas war that they call it. 31.52. Okay, so paying now. Okay, it is sent 31.53, and then let's go back to okay, there you are. Received 31.52. Then we have to confirm. Yes, I am subscribing to Edge package. Congratulations. Okay, so you just have to make a screenshot so that you have a proof. Okay, close here, and then you will see your Edge contract activated and paid. And from my Binance, I was able to receive 31.50 history payment. Okay, so that's it. Congratulations. Activate more accounts and build your strong community with AYOS. This is Coach Karina. Thank you so much.